Suggestion: none. Understanding the magic behind oncology drug development starts with the unsung heroes, clinical reports. Let's break it down, shall we? First up, the study progress report. Think of it as the pulse check of the study, showing how things are moving along. Next, we have the monitoring visit report, a detailed account of site visits, ensuring everything is on track. Ever heard of the protocol deviation report? It's like the referee of the study, flagging any rule breaks. Then there's the compliance summary report, which keeps everything in check, making sure all protocols are followed to the T. Got queries? The query resolution time report tracks how quickly these are sorted out. Meanwhile, the non-conformance trend analysis spots patterns where things might be going astray. When things go wrong, the root cause analysis report digs deep to find out why. Keeping data timely is crucial, and the data entry timeliness report keeps an eye on that. Site performance? The site performance report grades each study site's efficiency. And don't forget the monitoring days calculation report, which tallies up the days spent monitoring the study. Visit windows are critical. The visit window compliance report ensures timing is spot on, while the impact analysis of out-of-window visits evaluates the effects of any late visits. Clinical reports are the backbone of oncology research, driving innovation and ensuring safety. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep pushing the boundaries of medical science.